welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Reese and I'm back with another video. So today's video we're gonna be doing a mukbang. I got crab du jour. So I got some seafood, some snow crabs and shrimp, and crab du jour is in Brooklyn, Ozone Park area. And I'm looking because they spelled my name wrong. Mind you, when I called to place the order, I spelled out my name for her. She repeated it to me and she still spelled my name Reese. Right there. So I got the cash special, 1 pound snow crab leg and 2 pounds of shrimp. So they have a thing where you can choose, like, it's like pick two, and I don't know, like it's like you pick snow crab or king crab. Pick snow crab, then you have the option to pick shrimp, clam, and crawfish, and something else. So you can pick 2 out of the options. If I find the menu, I'm gonna place the menu so y'all can see. And in total, I paid $45. I never had them before, so I'm excited to try them out because normally for seafood, your girl goes to the boil, and I haven't been to the boil since it's been a while. I want to say probably like last year, because since the pandemic in March, I haven't been to the boil. Well, obviously they were closed, and they opened back. I haven't been. So that was March, January, February, sometime last year. So yeah, normally I've eaten seafood, but it's like from King of the Sea, and it does not compare to the boil. So I honestly kind of like, I kind of just stopped going. I kind of stopped going to the King of Sea, even though like they're more cheaper, but it ain't the boil for me. So anyways, I'm gonna try out du jour, crab du jour. Gonna do a mukbang. We're gonna talk, chit chat a little bit. Crab du jour. Thumbnail. Put my bib on. What time is it? 2:49. So I still got time. I'm currently at work, but you know, I do what I want. Clearly, I do what I want. My little crab du jour bib. So for drink, I have a Snapple Grino. It's like a pomegranate and orange sparkling juice. And my water. They gave me an extra bib. I don't know if they thought I was gonna share this, but it's just me, so put my gloves on. Yeah, so I know it's been a minute since I've last uploaded a video, and I just wanted to come do like a little mukbang with you guys, talk to you guys, why I haven't been posting, what's been going on. So basically, like, I haven't really been motivated to like make a video or post it, or like to do anything really, because like the YouTubers that I watch, they're like a family channel. I was about to be like, they're a family channel. Mine is the whole mukbang. I don't want the garbage to smell, so I'm gonna put everything in one. But yeah, the YouTubers that I watch is basically like a family channel, a couples channel, and all of that. So I don't know. I just like, I don't know. Ooh, this looks so good. Oh man, I should have posted it on my Instagram. Hold on, y'all. at this. It's a lot of gravy. I feel like they need to put a little bit more seasoning for me. So the sauce that I got was their special, the Jour special. They had other seasonings, but I'm like, let me try y'all special, but it ain't even all that. I said I was gonna post it on my Instagram, but I'm eating. Hold on. I'm coming. Okay, this is pretty good. I'm not mad at this. Alright. Oh Lord. Shipping food. That's a sense. What it looks like. You got the corn, shrimp, snow crab, potatoes. Yes, sir. Crab du jour. Okay. Oh. There you go ahead. Okay, so like I was saying, I haven't been feeling motivated, and like YouTube right now, it's like when you type my channel name in the search bar, it doesn't pop up. So that's like really annoying, kind of frustrating. Like, you know, you tell somebody, oh, my channel is Reese TV, they go look up Reese TV, they can't find it. So I've been trying to like find ways to like to figure out like how to get my channel in the search engine, and I've been doing the things that they've been telling me to do, and it still hasn't been working. So that's kind of discouraging. So I'm just like, I was thinking about changing my channel name, but I don't know what I would change it to. I kind of like It's Your Girl Reese, but I feel like that's too long. So it'd be like Your Girl Reese. I don't know. Comment down below some new channel names. Maybe, I feel like there's too much Reese TVs, and I feel like I'm the recent one where I've been posting. Like other Reese TV's channel, they haven't posted in like a year. So if I'm posting like almost every week, why is my name not in the search engine? So I don't know. So, but comment down below some name ideas, or comment if I even should change my channel thing. I don't know. This whole YouTube thing, it's a lot of work. Like, I'm not satisfied with my intro. And it's just like little things, like, I don't know, I guess you call it laziness. I guess you can call it laziness. And it's not like I have friends to be like, oh, like, let's go here or let's do something so I can get content and all of that, or like to do pranks on. I actually did a prank last night on my friend, so that should be posted after this video, probably a couple days after this video. I should have a separate bag, huh? Yeah, but like, it's like, I don't know what type of content. Like, obviously, I wanted to do like a vlogging channel, but like, normally after my birthday, like after I come back from vacation, I really don't do much. I just be on work mode, like to get back my money back that I spent, and like I just go to work and go home. I don't know, so I have to figure out like what type of content I want to post on this channel and all of that. I want people to be able to, I guess I'll just use this bag. Kind of wanted to recycle the bag, but whatever. Yeah, so like content wise, like I don't know what type of content to like come up with. Like, you know, clearly like I vlogged, like I started off my channel like getting ready for my birthday, like, so it was like birthday photo shoot. After that it was Labor Day weekend, and I was doing things Labor Day weekend. Then after that it was like my birthday vlog, and it's just like after my birthday vlog, like everything kind of died down. Like, you know, the people that I was hanging out with, like, you know, they're doing their own thing, I'm doing my own thing, or it's like, you know, don't really associate anymore, as like I guess I should say. So like I can't really do anything like content wise to like give y'all, or like if I am out, I'd be like, damn, I should have recorded this, but I didn't. Or so like, I don't know, I just gotta work on like content to give you guys. This is really good. They ain't give no napkins. I just realized that. They got napkins in this truck? No. And once I figure that out, I feel like I can get back on track. So, I mean, I do have content coming. Like I said, I did go out last night, and I kind of did a prank. So it's like a vlog / prank video coming. I ordered some stuff, so I probably could do like a plus size haul. And I actually ordered a wig, because this wig that I have on right now is trash. And you know, don't order hair offline. I mean, like, know who you order hair from. Like, this little $100 bob ain't doing nothing, okay? So I have like 2 wigs coming in, so I can do like a unboxing video with that, like a hair review on that. So I feel like I have future content coming in now. So so stay tuned for that. Potato. This potato, that's really hitting. Maybe because I haven't eaten seafood in so long that this is really good. I'm not saying it's the boil now, but it's up there. It's up there. Okay. Oh, let's talk about how this girl, she's a YouTuber, and she does promo on her Instagram. She does promo on her Instagram where, y'all should know what promo is. Promote people shit. So she had a $15 promo, right? So I DM'd her like, oh, what's your Cash App so you could promote my channel. I sent this girl $15. And she DM'd me, right? Because you're supposed to send her what you want her to post and a screenshot that you sent the money. Mind you, she kept taking too long, right? So I sent her the screenshot and I sent her my channel or whatever. But I sent her like either like they can swipe up and go straight to my channel from her account, or like I sent her just like my channel's name, like whatever, like I sent her. So she was like, oh, that's $5 extra or whatever. So I told her like, oh, just tell them to go follow me, go subscribe to my channel, whatever. Don't you know this girl never posted me till this day, and this was like almost 2 weeks ago. Scam alert, okay? Pretty girl Chaz, you're fake. You're a scammer. So now, like, I even see other people do it, but I'm scared. Like, shit is a scam out here. Like, so what else has been going on? My 2-year anniversary is coming up where I was in a major car accident and me and my mom could have died, okay? So my 2-year anniversary is coming up November 3rd. I think that's like in a week and a half from now. And since the accident, obviously my car was totaled. I didn't have full coverage to like get any money back. Listen, make sure you have full coverage on your car. The liability thing, it's a no. Get full coverage. I've learned my lesson. Any car that I get next, I would definitely have full coverage. But so yeah, my car was totaled. And since then I haven't gotten back a car. You guys see me drive. That's actually my mom's car. That is not my car. I don't have anything in my name. Which I'm very grateful and thankful that my mom lets me take her car as I please. But you know, it's about to be 2 years. And I think it's time for me to get back a car. I wasn't rushing to get back a car because that was my second car. Even though my first car that I had, which was a Nissan Xterra 2003, I didn't get in an accident with that one. But the Chevy, I got into like 3 accidents, okay? I got into like a little fender bender. I got into 2 fender benders, and one of them I really can't speak on right now because I can't speak on that. But and then the last one where my car was totaled. So I honestly think like there was a ghost or something in that car because that car did not like me, okay? But anyway, so I think it's time for me to get back a car. So I've been like car shopping online, and I've seen some stuff, but it's like at the same time, what I want is not really in my price range right now. Like it doesn't fit in my budget of what I want. My mom says that the car that I want has to be built for me because I just want a few things. I want push to start. I want a sunroof. The shift gears has to be a certain look. Like I don't want like, there's just some shift gears that's so ugly. Like why is that in a car? The dashboard has to be a certain way. Touchscreen, reverse camera. I need that in my life. You know, just the little things. It's not much. But yeah, so I feel like by Christmas I should be able to treat myself. It'll be like a Christmas gift to myself that I'll get back my car. But my thing is that do I want to pay the whole car off, or do I do car note and insurance? So the last two cars that I had, the cars that I've had, I didn't have a car note. Everything was paid off in full, and that's because it was like a second hand, it was a used car, it wasn't a brand new car. So they were paid off. But now I'm just like, I want me like a 2018. Can I afford a 2018? That is the question. I feel like once I save up, I can afford it. If I really wanted to, I can actually go to a dealer like tomorrow or get like a used car off the street tomorrow because the amount of money that I have saved up. But like I said, I just don't want to blow everything at once and not have something to fall back on. Like, I don't want to leave myself with nothing. Like, so I want to be secure. So I want to be able to get the car, make sure that I can pay at least 3 to 4 months in advance in insurance. If I do a car note, make sure I have a car note and still be able to do as I please. Like, if I want to buy something at the store, I could buy something at the store, not having to worry about, oh, well, I gotta pay this much for car insurance this week, and you know, like, still be able to pay my other bills besides the car. So I want to be secure, and I feel like there's nothing wrong with that. But I don't know, we'll see. Maybe Christmas I'll treat myself. And I don't want to rush either. That's the next thing too. I felt like with the other two cars, I was rushing to get a vehicle. And look at me now. I don't have anything. So, yeah, that's that. I've just been car shopping online, looking at different stuff. It's too much oil. I feel like I might as well do like a get to know me video out of it too. So my name is Reese. People call me Reese. Actually, my friend's son, Asia's son Zion. I'm trying to break this. Asia's son Zion, at the time he didn't know how to say my name, Reese, so he'd be like Reese, and Reese just stuck with me ever since. So that's why, that's how Reese came along. I'm 24 years old. I just turned 24 a month ago. September 20th. I'm a Virgo. I'm the type of person where there's just certain things I don't tolerate. I'm very nonchalant. I have a nonchalant attitude. I have an I don't care attitude, which is kind of bad, but if I don't care, I don't care. I was about to say, I don't have another potato. Yeah, so I have a nonchalant attitude. Some people don't like that or whatever. And at the same time, I don't care. Sorry, this is so good. Oh my god, so y'all keep up with Tamar Braxton? And what's been going on? So we all know she had a suicide attempt, right? But her ex-boyfriend, they broke up, David, the African guy, for whatever reason. So she had her own like series or like show, and I watched that, and I want to know what the hell was that. Like, they could have kept that. Like, that was just so trash. Like, Tamar procrastinates so much. Her voice is this and that. She doesn't have a voice. Like, girl, you know you can talk. You know you can sing. Stop playing. Like, I feel like she procrastinates too much. And I hate people who procrastinate. Like, just get the shit done and get it over with. I just feel like that show was so stupid. And then David and Goldie didn't get along. It's like, I get where David is coming from, but like, dang, like, if Tamar wants to do it, let her do it. Like, I felt like that was kind of controlling. I don't know. Then Tamar and her sisters, like, it's just too much. I feel like Tamar was definitely spoiled. She definitely has some issues that needs to be worked out. Ayana, Fix My Life, needs to come back, and she really needs to sit down this time and participate, because I don't think she fully got the grasp of what Ayana Fix My Life was doing or telling her or whatever. Yeah, Tamar, she needs help. Like I said, that series that she did was trash. I wasted like, what was it, like 6 episodes? I wasted 6 episodes of my life, okay? If you haven't watched it, don't watch it, because it's pretty much nothing, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all the rundown. In the beginning, Vince, they don't show Vince, but Vince comes and drops off Logan to the house. David is like, why is Vince in my house? You have Vince in my house. That's disrespectful, blah, 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 blah. Like, boy, that's my father's child. I understand, like, if it was both of your house. That is Tamar's house. That is not your house. So if my baby daddy wants to come in and tuck his son in bed, he's going to do that in my house. It's different where I'm in a, not even in a relationship, but it's different. Like, if it was both of your house, if both of your name was on that deed, then it would be like, okay, that's disrespectful, in my opinion. I'm just saying. It's not like he came in, sweet tart Tamar, da da da. All he did was tuck the little boy to bed and went about his business. That's all he did. So, in a way, I'm kind of glad they broke up, because talking about, oh, that's my chocolate. He's so fine. Girl, please. David is not even all that, okay? I'm just saying. David is not all that. Oh, if they want to watch something on Netflix, watch Grand Army. Shout out to my girl, Audley. She plays Dominique. She did so good. I'm so proud of her. I went to high school with her. And it's really a good show to watch. But yeah, I don't really know what else to talk about in this mukbang thing. I felt like I went over everything about me, why I haven't really been posting in the last 2 weeks. Me wanting to get back a car and all of that. So My hands is dirty. I don't have to wait. But yeah, I think that's it for this mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed and watching me eat, I guess. I don't know, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Shout out to, what's the name of this place again? Shout out to Crab de Jour. I definitely will be returning again. This is really good. Like I said, it's up there. It's better than King of the Sea, I'll tell you that. I feel like I have to eat the bowl again to compare both of them, but this is really good.